I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly of this drone. The good is that it flies pretty well under good conditions. I've flown some really bad drones before. I love to try different drones, and this one definitely isn't the worst that I've ever flown. That being said, if you ever fly it and it hits something or even just hits the ground, make sure that these propellers don't get snapped into a backward condition, because if you try to take off like that, you're likely to lose it very quickly because it'll be flying forward. So just keep that in mind. These propellers do snap out of position very easily. So that is one of the bad things. Another good thing, it does come with propeller guards if you want them. So you can very easily save your propellers from getting too damaged too quickly. I usually don't use them because I'm used to flying them pretty well. I don't crash into too many things. Turns on real easy. You're just going to hold that button and it's going to turn on. Now, a bad thing about it, let's talk about some bad things. It's not a DJI drone, so it's really unfair to compare it to that. However, after having used professional drones for a while, this does not compare anything near that. Of course, it's not supposed to. It's a toy. And as far as like the video quality that you're going to get from this thing, it says HD. I would not call it HD in any sense. It's very much low quality, very jerky camera image that you're getting from this. Now, it does allow you to adjust a couple settings in the app. You can say you want original versus full screen aspect ratio, and you can also say you want smooth versus HD image quality. I did not find a significant difference between them whenever I tested them out, but you tell me if you think there's any difference there. Kind of weird things about the controller too. Usually your controls are in line with each other. So like up there or down here, you'll have both of these joysticks. It's kind of weird that they have one here and one up there. That's different. This thing here, I did find this thing that useful. This is a trimmer, so that if you find your drone swaying in one direction or another, or forward or backward, you can kind of adjust how much it's doing that. You don't see that in all the inexpensive drones like this, so that's a nice addition there. One-touch takeoff is nice. I definitely use that. One-touch landing is nice. Also, emergency landing. If you do find it flying away, you're going to hold that button for 3 seconds and it'll drop out of the sky and land for you. So it does have some nice buttons. You do have a speed control, slow, medium, fast. You also have a 3D flip button. I don't use that so much, so I can't really comment on that. So yeah, it's definitely not a high-end drone, but if you're just looking for a toy drone, maybe to have some fun with and aren't expecting good quality from the camera, yeah, I'd say it's definitely worth it in that regard. If you just want to have some fun with it outside, fly something around, something lightweight and that's easy to fold, unfold, and to use, I would say it's worth a shot. You might want to check it out. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.